Hello everyone, my name is Anisha Sharma and I am here to introduce you all to the very important and very essential concept of today's world, that is digital transformation. The agenda of our meeting today is to introduce you all to the concepts of digital transformation, spotting difference between digital and business transformations, evaluating the current position of the company we are working in, and how the company can be digitally transformed in the coming working months. Firstly, we will get to know what is digital transformation, as it is a very essential topic and it is a basis of our meeting today. So, when we talk about digital transformation, what comes in our mind? Everything that is digitalized today. If I gonna give you an introduction of digital transformation, so it is a fundamental change in how organizations use their technology, people, resources, processes, and significantly improve business performance, deliver value to customers, and stay competitive in a digital age. So, digital essentials, which comes with utilizing technologies such as cloud computing, artificial intelligence, big data analytics, and Internet of Things to completely reimagine the corporate processes, which is again known as digital transformation. Organizational structure and culture must be significantly altered for digital transformation to be successful. So businesses needs to foster a culture that welcomes innovation and change in order to adapt to a technological advanced environment. And lastly, technology may not always be driving force behind. So, although it is a part of corporate transformation, digital transformation mainly concentrates on using digital technology to accomplish its objectives. And technology may not always be the driving force behind organizational changes that are a part of larger idea of business transformation, but it's critical for organizations to comprehend this distinction in order to plan strategically and maximize the benefits of their digital transformation initiatives. We are moving further with the digital transformation concept. So these are four basic essentials of digital transformation. Firstly, digital transformation, as we already discussed, it is a process of incorporating cutting edge technology such as cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and everything around ourselves today is digitalized, as we all know. The processes such as online accounting software, electronic invoicing, receipt scanning apps can be integrated in our company to make our work much easier and effective. Next comes the very essential concept, which is customer-centric strategy. Adopting a customer-centric mindset is an essential step in the process of digital transformation, as this entails giving customers better digital experiences, personalized interactions, and effective attending to their needs and preferences. Third, we have cultural shift. Establishing an innovative, cooperative, and flexible culture within the company is essential to digital transformation in order to embrace new technology and methods and to motivate staff members to actively engage in the transformation process is for this the cultural shift is necessary. And lastly, the direction and the guidance, so a clear strategic vision and adaptability and robust leadership backing are essential of successful digital transition. Our leaders and our managers should be very cooperative and very supportive so that the organization can adapt to these resources and guarantee alignment with the organization's overarching goals and objectives. So this is a very important concept again, how we can understand the difference between digital transformation and business transformation. These are some four main differences, how we can spot what is the main difference between both of them. So first we'll get to know what is enhanced client services. The accounting and financial consulting company may leverage cutting edge tools and software to deliver more precise and fast financial insights to customers by embracing digital transformations. Second comes the functional effectiveness. Digital transformation reduce manual labor and error proneness by streaming internal procedures. Third comes the business model diversification. So, providing services beyond standard accounting and financial advice is one way to implement the business transformation to tap into new markets and revenue resources. The company can expand into allied fields like risk assessment and asset management. And fourth is the cultural adaptation. A more customer centric strategy may result from changing the company's culture as a part of business transformation, as we already discussed. Next, we will analyze the current state of our company. So, assessment of technology infrastructure. This involves a comprehensive examination of our company's existing technological infrastructure, software, and hardware. It aims to identify the area which requires the upgrades and replacement of work methods. Second comes the process evaluation. So, our company should analyze its current operational processes to pinpoint areas that can be enhanced through digital tools and automation. It is essential to understand the existing workflows and where digital transformation is needed. And lastly, the digital capability of workforce. So, evaluating the digital skill set of the employees is crucial again. This includes assessing their familiarity with digital tools, their readiness for change, and identifying areas where training and upskilling is needed. So, how are we going to develop a digital strategy here? First, and very important point is alignment with corporate goals. So, the corporate goals should not be left behind and they go in hand with the digital transformation. The overall aim and objectives of the business should be in line with the digital strategy. Second comes the client centric solutions. So, the soul of a company is the client. A thoughtful digital strategy should put in requirement and contentment of the client first. This calls for customizing digital solutions to enhance customer encounters and interactions. And last, the transformation path is guided by a digital strategy. So it establishes the goal and the course of security and compliance. First, the security of sensitive data of regularity compliance should never be jeopardized by digital transformation. Moving forward with the next slide, it totally focuses on the employee training and development. So the business should set aside funds for training initiatives in order to close the digital skills gap. To prepare staff members for digital tools and technology is very important. Second, it is imperative to foster a culture as we already discussed. So we should all be willing to accept this change in our working modes. And lastly, developing a digital proficiency. The purpose of training is to help staff members to become more competent and self-assured users of the new digital tools. Incremental changes and pilots that we are going to see in the coming months. So rather than overwhelming the organization, digital transformation should begin with the incremental changes. It means introducing digital tools and processes in a manageable phases. Then comes the pilot project. So initiating pilot projects in specific departments or areas allows the company to test the feasibility and effectiveness of the digital solutions before broader implications. And lastly, the highlighting the need of transformation. So through pilot projects, employees can experience the benefits of digital transformation firsthand, which can be encouraged further and buy-in from the workforce. Last, we have a continuous improvement and an assessment plan. Here, there are three stages: adapting to changing needs, regular process assessment, and establishing a culture of continuous improvement. So, establishing a culture of continuous improvement, the organization should promote a culture where feedback is valued and learning from digital projects are applied. Next, this entails keeping an eye on the key performance metrics and getting input the how the transition is going on. In order to be relevant and competitive, an organization must be adaptable and willing to make changes to its digital strategies when technology and marketing conditions are involved. And lastly, it enables the business to remain flexible, adapt to changing conditions, and keep a competitive edge in a rapidly evolving digital environment. These are some recommendations what we can do to make our small accounting and financial business digitally transformed, and we can move further and compete with the other firms that are in the market. So create a definite digital strategy that is with overall objectives. Gaining the workforce digital knowledge is essential for transformation success, which is the training and the employees transition part. Introducing digital technologies gradually, so we will do everything eventually so that everyone can be in sync with the methods of the digital transformations. Build the data analytics skills and facilitate decision making based on data. And lastly, boost the cybersecurity defense to safeguard the client's information. That is very very essential. And which like also boost the cybersecurity defenses to safeguard clients very important data and uphold the confidence of our customers as well. Now we'll get on the conclusion of today's meeting. So competitive through digital transformation. Companies looking to stay competitive in a rapidly evolving digital market must undergo digital transformation. So the companies like PwC, Deloitte, every company is today digitalized, and their methods are very digital, and which gives their employees a confidence to work in a very effective and efficient manner. Second, there are observable advantages to digital transformation, including increased productivity and cost savings. And third, effective internal communication, strong security protocols, and training can help overcome the obstacles or challenges which will come into these transitions. So the promising case studies such as GE Aviation demonstrates how digital transformation may improve dependability, save cost, and optimize maintenance procedures, indicating its potential to have a major positive effect on the sector and our lives as well. So I hope you all have a great time and you all are very greedy to know more about the digital transformation. This is the very basic concepts of today's meeting. And if you all have any questions, I am open to it. You can ask me any questions, and I hope the coming months will be I know the coming months are really challenging, but we will can all do it uh, with our ongoing methods, and ease to digital transformation is always there. Thank you so much.